Hey J Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you anyway. Hey J Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you all day. Sharing my prom experience to let you guys know if you have a prom coming up or whatever, what to expect. Well, not what to expect, but just what I went through, so you know nothing will come as a surprise. You know, you watch a lot of prom vlogs and stuff, but people really don't tell you what they went through. First, I'm going to start off with the issue with my dress. My camera is dying like hot fire. When the school year first started, I kept saying I do not want to buy a dress. I will not buy a dress. I will not be caught with something that somebody else has on, etc, etc. So we got a lady to design the dress or whatever. I wanted a hollow. It was like a really good design, but it was a design that was only in my head and I couldn't really explain it well. I couldn't really execute it on paper well. And she told us that we had to go get the fabric ourselves or whatever. So we tried to get the fabric. You know, I'm not a designer. I'm not anything in the fashion industry, so I don't really know what stuff is going to look like all put together, you know, because to me all of these fabrics is ugly. I don't like any of these fabrics, but you know, when you see a dress put together in full, then you're like, oh yeah, that's cute, that's cute. But I'm not a designer, so I cannot visualize what that's going to look like in my head. So that I didn't like that right there. Like, we had to get our own fabric, which is understandable. I completely understand why she did it. I'm not saying that was a problem or anything, but for me personally, that's what I struggle with the most, is the fabric. We went around all around Maryland trying to find fabric and it just was not working out. And also the fabric was so expensive. We wound up telling the lady that we were just gonna, you know, buy a dress or whatever. She said, okay, that's fine. We looked around for weeks trying to find a dress. We never found a dress. Finally, we decided to go to David's Bridal, and I'm like, I do not want to go here. I'm not getting anything out of here because I'm just not getting anything out of here. Like, people gonna have it on. Guess what I did? I got something out of there. I fell in love with all of them dresses that I tried on the David. I wound up settling for this dress, but I didn't really like the bottom. So we decided to get somebody to customize the bottom, and this is what the bottom turned out to look like. When you go to prom, make sure you have all your ducks in a row. Make sure you know who's doing your dress. Make sure everything is scheduled in time. Make sure you know who's doing your nails. Make sure you know who's doing your hair. Make sure everything is planned out, because last minute everybody is always rushing and stressing, and it should not even be that way. Like, we should not all be rushing and stressing at the last minute. Okay, now I'm going to touch on nails. I had a whole nail experience. I will make a video on that. I would pre-record it tonight and upload it the day after I upload this video, but my camera is dying so quickly. Like, I think it's broke. I don't know. I just started like 5 minutes ago and it's already half dead. So, but I will release that sometime this week or next week. But that's the whole experience in itself. All I want to say is just make sure that whoever you go to, whether it's nails, hair, dress, like designers and stuff, make sure that they know what they doing. And it's really no way that you can make sure that, because somebody can act like they know what they doing, but I'm just saying, like, make sure, just try to be sure, because it's prom. Like, the worst feeling ever is you feeling like you're ugly on your prom date. Like, that's the worst feeling ever. Hair. So for my hair, I was going to get somebody to do it, but all of the stylists in Baltimore, they so freaking high. They don't even do hair like I like. They don't even do hair. It's good enough for me to be paying them so much money. So what I decided to do, I decided I was going to make my own wig. Okay, well, time and time passed, so now I gotta buy a wig because I don't have time to make a wig. Okay, time and time passed. I did not order this hair, y'all, until the week before prom, so 2 weeks ago. And I got this hair about 3 or 4 days before prom. So if anything went wrong with my shipping order, I would have been out of luck. I just would have been SOL. And I wouldn't have had no hairs. That's why I'm saying, like, do not wait till the last minute, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. Do not wait until the last minute, because you will be messed up. So what I did was I ordered a wig from Amazon. It's a company called V Show Hair. I will make a video. A lot of people said they wanted a hair review first, but a lot of people said they wanted a prom experience first. So this is from V Show Hair. It's 22 inches. It's 130 density. I don't like thin hair, so I should have got 150, 180 density. But I mean, for prom, it'll do. I dyed. First, I had a middle part, so I went like this, and I dyed the front sections blonde, so you can see like it's a blonde streak because it's supposed to be a middle part. I went and dyed this hair myself. I did it myself, everything like that. So if you see like my lace and stuff coming up, it's the end of the day. It's like 11 o'clock at night. So but just to make sure, like my biggest thing to say this is I go to all girls school, so I've seen girls struggle. Some girls didn't get their fitting until the day before prom, and some girls did not get their dress until the day of prom. So I want to stress how extremely stressful and how important it is to start early. Start in January, start in February. Do not wait until the last minute. If you're one of them proms that start early like March or April, you gotta start in November, December. Now I know this is like a Baltimore or like a black people thing where they go all out for prom. If you one of those people that go all out for prom, this is extremely important for you. Start early. But even if you just, you know, buy just a regular pretty dress, you do your hair yourself, you do your makeup yourself, and you saving money and time, make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you know how to do your hair. Make sure you know how you're going to do your hair. Make sure you know how to do your makeup. Make sure you know how you're going to do your makeup. You know, stuff like that. Make sure you know what color you're wearing. Make sure what style of dress you want. Stuff like that, because at the last minute it gets really, really hectic. Okay, so my actual prom experience, y'all, it was so fun. But prom was not at all what I expected it to be. I expected prom to be like so bougie and stuff like that. Especially for the money that we paid for it. I mean, my ticket, our school tickets were free. But I'm just saying, like, the money you put into it, like the dresses, the hairs, the nails, the makeup, everything, all of the money that you put into it, it's like, it wasn't even as serious. It really felt like a regular Baltimore party. We treat prom as if it were like the Met Gala. We were not at the Met Gala. We were at prom. So I didn't feel as though I had to wear an Emmy or an Oscar outfit. Like, I feel like that was just extra of all of us, because it wasn't even that serious, and it shouldn't even been that serious. And I watched a lot of YouTubers on here when they talk about like their prom experience or whatever in their prom vlog. They say like, yeah, it was fun, but it wasn't all that. Like, if you don't go, you're not missing out on anything. And I think for us to spend that much money on it, just to say it was okay, like, that's ridiculous. But I had so much fun. So much fun. The food was okay. I had so much fun, y'all. Like, so much fun. Also, you got to be careful with your school dress code. If your school is anything like mine, then you have a dress code of what you can and cannot wear to prom. You do not want to have too much skin, too much cleavage, too much this, too much that. So plan around that. Y'all, please, I'm telling y'all, do not think you're going to spend all this money and break the rules and then try to negotiate with the adults because you spent all of this money. They will not care. If just do everything you're supposed to. Follow the rules like you're supposed to, and everything will be fine. Again, I will insert videos and pictures of me at prom. If you did not watch my prom vlog, then make sure you go do that. Please be sure that you subscribe and press that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time that I upload. If you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends. If you didn't like this video, comment down below what you would like to see me next so I can make my channel better. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.